taught by my brother and my friend how to play Beast Form.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? It's your boy Ginger Ninja. That used to be my old YouTube channel. Actually, it's full.
You can't join the game. The game's full.
Yeah, I remember on my old channel, I had a bandana and that I just stopped wearing it. I'm just like, no. I'm just like, no more. I'm not ninja, no more. Yeah, I know. Ask someone to leave or something.
Everyone, join me.
Now?
Okay. No, I'm joining. Everyone.
Okay.
Or you'll be executed for treason.
Ah!
Yes, my spot. I got my spot. Is my spot?
Dude, it's full.
Join me, okay, Patrick?
Yo, guys. He wants you to join him.
Where did Patrick go?
I don't know.
Yeah, guys, join me.
If my monitor's better.
Quickly. I have my favorite spot. I have my favorite spot. Oh, we can't join you. One can because there's one extra spot. It's so hard to find it.
I have to do a video.
Join Nick. Join Nick's the V.
Oh,
okay.
Only 2 of you can. Wait, there's another 2. Oh, there's 3 spots. Yes. Okay, you guys have to teach me.
Nick, don't take that. No, someone's already taken it. Nick, you took my spot.
No, that's my spot. I love that spot.
That's it.
It's treason then. Oh, he left. Well, you're the only person I have, dude. So, hey, you're my brother. You have to teach me stuff. Teach me how to play the game. Teach me how to play the
tutorial.
No, I mean like actually help me get more bees and stuff. No, I want you to help me get bees. Help me with my missions. No, help me properly.
Dude, you don't have to. You don't need anyhow.
What? I don't? Okay. Well, the video is the next episode. Okay, wait. Let me make my honey. I thought one of me bees wasn't loaded. How much? 200. Oh, honey! I thought you meant Robux. If it was that much Robux, I'll go. What? I have 338,425 honey. I'm gonna turn down my settings volume because this is too loud. Yeah, like I'm noob, Patrick's medium, and then you're pro. Wait, no. I'm noob, you're pro, and then Daniel's hacker.
No, I'm God. I don't have any.
True. Yeah, he's admin.
Look how slow he is. Come on.
Okay, what's my missions? I need to gather some missions.
Nick, you might die from doing this. I bet you die, but I got a cheat. Right where I.
What? I'm here. Yeah?
Doing my cheat, Patrick.
What's the cheat?
Yeah, let's see if Nick's ready for it. Yeah, I showed Patrick the trick.
Yes?
Jump in here. There's a rhino beetle.
Oh, Rhino Beetle. I'm probably gonna die from fighting him.
There's 2 of them. Nick, get in this corner. Nick, get in this corner. I can't get you in the corner.
I'm trying!
Ow! I'm getting. Wait, why is he attacking me? I swear to God, if he attacks me. Yeah, Nick, they can't.
Yes! We gotta kill him! We gotta kill him!
Nick, you can't record this.
No, don't worry. It's still gonna like kill us anyway. I'm just gonna go there. Noobs.
So it's gonna kill me as well. Did he just? I'll protect you. Why are you
I'm dancing. I was dancing. Save me. I used to think that those rods would help me kill people.
Dude, you're the one on your is going. It might take like an hour. Well, not an hour, like 20 minutes maybe.
20 minutes. Alrighty then. Let's not do it.
No, Nick, you get 1 million honey from doing it.
1 million? Oh, doggy.
Yeah, you get a lot of eggs with that, Nick.
Wait, what about tickets?
Yes, you do.
I want to get. Why do I keep missing? It says miss.
Nick, do you know how to use the royal jellies?
Yeah. You can transform your bees. I'm not a noob. Stop. Okay, I sort of am, but just stop.
Tell me how much honey you made?
It was like thousands, 100,000s. Says in the top, it says 196,815.
Do you have any moon charms?
Let me check.
They increase your bond with a bee by 200.
Oh god. Yeah, I have 5 moon charms.
Oh, really? Use it on a bee. Yeah, make it level 7 so you can defeat Rhino Bee.
Oh, should I do that now?
No, actually, yeah, because his health is going so slow. Yeah. Dude, he's chasing you. No, Nick, no, don't. Nick, no, don't go over there. It's where that ladder is on the left side.
Oh yeah, it's the ladder. Oh my god, how did I not see that? Ah!
Do you know any codes? Daniel's planted a gummy sprout.
I'm just gonna keep getting challenges. Have I got a challenge? Oh, I still have a bunch of quests, dude.
No, Nick, do you have any of the gummy sprouts in the werewolf field?
Dude, I can't go there.
Nick, do you have any of the do you have a quest by Brown Bear?
What?
Did you say yes or not?
I said what?
Oh, do you have a quest from Brown Bear? He's at the Clover field.
I don't think I do. I'm gonna use my roller jelly on the one.
He gives you good honey.
Okay, I'm just gonna use my roller jelly on the rad bee that I already have. Oh, I got a stubborn bee.
Oh, stubborn bees are good.
Yeah. Okay, good.
But exhausted bees pretty good.
Yeah, I'm.
Unlimited.
What is it that number? It's over 9,000.
What are you gonna use your moon charms on, right, bee? Because technically the moon charms make you have a better bond, which means you don't have to. Which means they get more OP. Nick.
Wait, let me find.
Nick, if you want to defeat Rhino Bee, you're gonna have to use all your charms on one of the bees because one of them has to be level 7. Wait, Nick, Daniel.
I'll use it on my.
Use on stomping bees.
Oh.
No, use it on Cool Bee.
Yeah.
He's level 5. He's eyes.
I have 2 moon charms.
Just use it on Cool Bee.
All 2. I gave him all 2, and is he still level 5?
Yeah, I have 3 million honey.
He's still level 5.
Well, you need to come with me, Nick.
Dude, that sucks.
Nick's so slow.
Yeah.
Wait, Nick, how much honey do you own? In here is a
Too much.
You get so much sunflower seeds here. So use all the get a bunch of sunflower seeds. Wait, can we do? Hey Nick.
What?
sunflower seeds, or do you want me to show you a quest by Brown Bear? He has easy quests.
Sunflower. Wait, do I have them? Do I have any sunflower seeds?
Do you know what they look like? You have to collect bacon.
It's like a token. Sunflower seeds, sunflower seeds.
Wrinkly, and it looks like a sultana.
Yeah, I didn't have any, but I'm gonna go actually get Brown Bear's quest. But I wonder how many, like, I have a few more quests. I have Science Bear's quests. So I'm gonna get like 5 more bees.
Wait, how many bees do you have?
I have like 10 or 11.
Science bees. I mean, not science bees. Science Bear. He has so. He's quested for a while, but he gives you a reward.
Yeah.
It's over here, Brown Bear. He only gives you a quest every 4 hours.
Ready for a new quest?
Alright,
I got a new quest. Let me see what it is. Collect 8,500 pollen from sunflower field.
oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's easy.
I got my bear. No.
Oh, you have a bee bear. That's sick. You spend Robux. That's sick.
Yeah. Robux.
Robux. Give me Robux. Give me Robux, boy. I need Robux, and I don't. Does that make sense? I need
Yes.
Robux.
Not now, though. I can't look now.
Yeah, not now. Not now. When you get your computer fixed.
I already have a computer.
Give me Robux.
No, I mean like it's getting fit.
Yeah, I know.
It's getting fit.
Fit? Oh, I just got 1 sunflower seed. Yeah. Okay, so what's your advice? Cause my jumper is amazing. I need to make, if I ever make merch, I'm gonna get it as soft as this. And everyone will buy my merch.
I can design your merch.
No, I wanna design my merch. If I ever do like a drawing on it, I need a drawing on it, I'll get you to design my merch and I'll pay you $1. $5 actually.
No, you should do me. I'm better. I'm a good drawer.
Yeah, but Patrick's better, so.
No, I'm better. No.
I don't give a crap. I hired him anyway. I already hired him, so shut up.
I'm giving up on him.
You don't want money.
Yeah, I'm only doing it because I don't have COVID-19.
Yeah, but I still need to pay you. I mean, I said I would. And I promised. I never.
Fashion droid. What are these?
Oh, I just found a sunflower seed. I'll give you $20.
No.
I swear on my grave.
You're too poor. Just give me like 5 or none.
I'll give you 20.
Why are we discussing this in a video?
Yeah, while we're discussing this, change the subject. Okay, so you guys help me do my thing, do my YouTube, cause
Can I do my YouTube?
doing my YouTube, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm getting sunny so.
Yeah, I have like 3 sunflower seeds now. Wait, I don't know. Why are we? Why? I have 3 sunflower seeds.
Nick, how much money do you want?
I want like 2 million.
No, I mean seriously.
1 million.
Do you actually?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You promise?
Yeah. Wait, is my stubborn bee a level 6?
No, like.
No, my stubborn bee's a level 4.
What's the honey at the top of your screen?
Oh, 197,943.
109,000.
197,000.
Ooh, not bad.
Shut up.
How many bees do you have?
How many bees? 10 or 11? Probably 10. I I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get out my way, I'm counting.
No, just look
1,
over
2,
here.
3. Oh.
You got 10.
Yeah, I have 10.
Follow me.
Oh, I have my brown bear is ready to turn in.
Yep.
Why did someone called said hi?
No, his name's Plagueis, like Dark Plagueis.
Oh, do you know him?
No, Dark Plagueis is P-L-A.
No, do you know the Plagueis?
Wait, Nick, this isn't Science Bear, this is Brown Bear.
Yeah, I know, but I have the brown bear one to turn in.
Yeah, but you can go the quest by Bear, you know.
Yeah, I'm still doing a quest.
He should give you royal jelly.
Yeah, he just gives me royal jelly. I have to come back to him in like 4 hours. That sucks, dude. 4 hours. I got a ticket.
How many tickets do you have?
I have like 52 now.
I have 156.
Stop
Nick,
flexing.
Nick.
Wait, let me see how many tickets I have. 53, yeah, I have 53. Go here.
Yes, and then press use sprinkler.
Yeah. Whee! Let me go to the shop. What's in the shop?
Nick, you can't afford any. Wait, actually you can.
Yeah, I just bought something.
Good.
Now I'm on 47,000. Yeah, I bought this one. Dude, that's so much. It's like 1 million. 10 million?
No, do you want me to buy it? Should I buy the million thing?
I don't know. Do what you want. Wait, I'm gonna try and get the parachute.
Oh, I'm gonna get that actually as well.
Oh, I could buy one for 4,000 honey, and I'm gonna buy it. Okay, I just bought it. And that wasted a lot of my honey. I got that money, honey. Time to kill the mantis. Oh god, they're murdering me. They're murdering me. And that's so trash at what they do.
Oh, Nick, don't attack them yet. Nick, come over here. Get a quest by Science Bear, because I think he sometimes wants mantises.
Yeah, I already have a quest by him though.
Oh, what is it?
It's preliminary research.
What do you have to get?
Discover 5 B types, already done that. Collect 20,000 white pollen, done that. Collect 10,000 pollen from strawberry field. And collect 10,000 pollen from the bamboo field. Oh, I could do that.
Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
See this thing on the white thing?
Yeah.
You get in the front shop, and it lets you get, it does this to you. It gives you an extra 15,000 capacity.
What?
It gives you 5% more white pollen and 50% for the bomb pollen. So like,
Ew, look at that.
what?
It's snail. Stump snail, level 6.
No, don't do it. It takes too long to kill.
Dude, he looks disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna go do my quest now. Shut up! I will end your life if you keep saying that. Oh my god, dude, this is so much better. I get a click so easily, dude. My rhino bee?
I mean, not the rhino bee. I mean, the like special. Where's my parachute? Daniel, how do you use a parachute?
Okay, I'm doing the bamboo field one. Dude, with the amount of bees that I have, it would take like so long to get rid of all this honey. So I'm gonna get 5 more bees.
Silence my child. Yes, it's 5 bees.
I have like 50 out of 500 honey tokens to get.
How do you use the parachute?
You have to like,
Jump.
yeah, double jump.
And then use it. Wait, I did jump and it did 20.
Double jump.
You have to double jump. You have to jump and then press the jump button again.
You can just keep like clicking and it'll go that speed. This is probably the best thing I've ever done.
Now you can get the royal jelly where only is.
Oh, own it. On it. On it. On it. That's how I laugh, everybody.
No, you don't.
Shut up.
Okay, this is an awkward silence.
Everybody start speaking.
You'll just like scream instead of speak. That's how we talk.
Someone knocking on my door.
FBI, open up.
Oh my god, it's Survival the Jeff the Killer.
What? What? Gasp. Gasp. What? Yeah, and they get like that good stuff to build the game.
If we actually did survive,
Daniel, my brother was Daniel's gonna do Survival the Shrek the Killer or something.
it's a game. I'm gonna do Survival the Nick the Killer. Because he's
Oh, you'll regret that soon. Kill him! Kill whatever that thing is, please, my bees. You are my slaves, my bees. Kill him. Imagine if our bees just start attacking each other.
Yeah, they just kill each other. It's purge tonight, so the bees just kill each other.
Oh, you're trash. This guy, oh my god, he killed me.
Imagine if your bees were cannibals and they eat each other.
That's nice to think about. That's nice to think about. Open shop, can't afford anything. Poor. Whee! Get the honey token for my quest. I have 55 honey tokens right now.
Ooh, good.
I'm a pro! That's how I say I'm a pro. I'm a pro!
Are you doing honeybees honey hunt?
Not yet. But yeah, I am doing it, but I'm doing the other one too.
How much
Bees kill him.
How much
Did you just touch me?
how much do you have to collect?
Like 500. I have 60.
I'm nearly done with my own quest.
I have 60, so I'm fine.
I got 470.
What's that sound?
Yeah, is that Santa? Is Santa coming early?
Santa? I'm Saint Nicholas.
Who's seen that? Like evil hands like Santa? So the girl goes down the stairs and says, oh, Santa! And then the guy, then Santa says, he gets, then he pulls out a silent gun. He says, no. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I saw that too. That's so evil, dude.
But it's funny.
It's okay. It's like we just start finding out you're just a really bad psycho, and then you're like, hey, it's funny.
Imagine
It's
if
funny.
someone-
It's funny. That YouTuber. It's not actually funny.
Did you just try to write something?
Yeah, I just try to roast someone who I don't even watch. Yeah, the RB battles were the best though. Did you see them on YouTube? The RB battles? They were the best. RB, right? You play Roblox?
I know Army. What did I get? I've seen a lot of Army battles. Know what I actually did.
I watched it and I enjoyed it so much.
Wait, what is it?
RB battles, Roblox RB battles. Search it up.
Roblox
Eh.
battles.
Oh, I'm nearly done. I'm gonna just like, okay, I'm done. I once just left my bees to do all the work. Oh, I'm done the preliminary research.
Cool.
Cool. My bees are murdering a spider.
And I'm drinking some water.
Water. Yeah, sister.
Everyone be quiet. I'm gonna do some ASMR.
Wait, I need to turn off. Wait, let me turn off orders.
Alright, ready guys?
Yeah.
What's happening? Oh god, I just spilled water on my iPad.
ASMR is happening, dude.
What did you spill on your iPad?
Water. Dude, you're an idiot. Bro, that was really dumb. Why'd you spill water on it?
I accidentally went too much into my face. Now I look like I just came out of the car. Oh god, I just went on my cord.
Fascinating. So there are at least 5 types of bees in each one.
No, Nick, that would be good. You'll get more views. Just killed himself.
Just don't say that.
Don't worry, I'm just bleeding.
Don't worry, I'm just bleeding. I'm just bleeding to death. Don't worry.
Are you pretending?
We getting it?
Give me the royal jelly inside of there.
Oh, I broke my back.
Oh, I broke my back. Reach. Let me reach.
Nick, are you gonna fight the king whatever beetle? King beetle?
Oh, yeah, I don't think any of my bees are on level 7 yet.
It doesn't matter. They can still fight, but it just takes longer.
It just takes longer. You're just gonna die easily.
Nick, what's your best?
What? My best bee?
Your best bee?
I don't know. Probably, my favorite is probably the fire bee.
Which one is that?
Yeah, the fire bee. Cause he's on fire, cause he saw my hot face. Dude, it's taking all my bees, not even just to get a little bit of the pollen from my backpack.
Like Nick, you forgot to tell them. Make sure to click the nay on that subscribe button.
I do that at the end of my video. Slap the like and subscribe button, or else I will come to your house, JK.
Wait, like and subscribe so I can literally run you and try it out my face.
No, stop. Don't. That's like the clickbaiters, dude. That's illegal. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you don't, this spider that's totally real will show up in your bed tonight.
Please like and subscribe, or else you will never get a girlfriend ever again.
Oh yeah, that one was so dumb.
No, make sure to click the nay on that subscribe button to get free Robux.
Totally.
Imagine if
At www.yourmama.
Subscribe YouTube channel. At the most subscribers just because they said please like and subscribe or else you will never get a girlfriend again.
Yeah, he's like, I want a girlfriend. No, I want a girlfriend. I have to subscribe to him. Even though I'm 70 years old.
You don't sound like 70, sounds like you're going through puberty.
What? That sounds so dumb. I'm not going through puberty.
Yes, you are.
Well, you're actually going. Never mind.
Nick, that's hardcore into it. Totally radical.
Oh God, shut up. We need to shut up about the puberty, dude. Everybody, shut up. Everybody, shut up.
Wait, what did you say about me, Patrick?
You're ugly.
Patrick, what did you say about going in radical hardcore? What? I didn't say anything.
Yeah, he didn't say anything. You're hearing stuff,
Tell me what you
noob.
mean to us.
Haha, you're hearing stuff.
That means ow.
I am the best at this game, totally. Kat, you're only good at this game because you spend Robux.
No, that's lies. That's a myth.
Okay, that's a little bit of it. You spend Robux sometimes on this game. You can't hide that.
Yeah, but it's only because I was already good at it. It wasn't like that. But I just got way more OP. And hey guys,
Yeah, I was like really trying.
Nick, you can put your honey.
Yep, I know. That's why I'm getting all these. Give me the honey tokens. Give me the honey. Give me the honey. Give me the money.
Nick, you can get a ticket as well. I just got what to do.
Yeah, I'm just getting the honey. I'm getting all this honey.
I need a hoodie.
I'm getting all this honey. No, don't fade away. Yes, I got it before it faded away. Dude, I have 96 out of 500. Come on, when will I complete that task quest? The 500 honey tokens. I got a cool laptop that's totally real. So cool. I'm the only YouTuber here. Wait, have you got your channel yet, dude? No. You have.
Are you talking to Daniel?
No, I'm talking to you.
Oh, sorry, I interrupted the conversation. Radical.
No, I was talking to you, Pat.
Oh, you're talking to your own poo in the toilet? Sorry, I interrupted that conversation.
What the hell? Oh my god, you
He's
haven't
a
got
Memsies.
you haven't got it yet, haven't you?
Memsies. Memsies are so funny. I'm thinking about my username because I might be doing some Lego.
Well, it's way more better than voice crack, kid.
Voice crack? Oh, no. Who's a voice crack? Does it think when he's cracking? Is that like a difficulty or something? Do you like, I'm talking crap at the same time? This is important. Is the chat? I'm in the chat.
What?
Like it's just slide. It's so right.
No.
Dude, don't click on it because it's a scam. What's a scam? Oh yeah, check out
Don't do it. Wait, let me click on the chat. Oh, yep, it's on it. Yeah, guys, make sure to block that guy for life. He is called he's called Emila 4457.
It's just a bot. It's not a real person.
Yeah, just block them though. Just block them though, so they can't. They could be used for scamming again, idiot.
No, it's not used.
True. Yes, I did the blue pollen quest. Okay, time to go and do the red pollen quest. I wanted a red one. Attack me, boy.
You wanted the red one?
I wanted a red one.
Someone just knocked on my door. The red one.
Oh god! Like, and that was the last we ever had. And that was the last we ever heard of Dropfire.
Wait, did he die? Dropfire?
He's dead! Oh
No,
no,
it's just a postman. What did you get?
what did you
Did you
get?
get 3 Robux?
Free Robux? Imagine if like you ask your postman if he was like really nice for some Robux, and then he just gives you like the most Robux in the world.
I'm actually expecting Robux aren't a physical thing. You can't hold Robux. They're just game.
No, you can get those gift cards, idiot. So you
I don't like the gift cards. People use them. People use them before you get to. They enter the code. Not always. Nope. Never get me a Roblox gift voucher.
Or what if you like just typed in random numbers and you started getting so much Robux?
Wait, no, Nick, yeah, that's actually used to do that.
You used to do that? How much Robux did you get?
I got 5,000.
Oh god, now everyone who watches this is gonna like just
No,
do
that's
that.
hard enough. You have to do a verification thing. So it takes longer, but before when I was doing it, they had no verification thing. Which means there was more bots on Roblox.
I I just like stopped talking because I was angry that I couldn't like end people's happiness.
I hate the verifications. They're so bad. I mean, can robots even do it?
Some could.
Robots, they're not called robots. They're called AI, aka.
Artificial intelligence. Oh, we got a robot today, actually. A Robbie, a Toby.
Yeah, we got a Toby. They're so cute and cool.
Yeah. I'm Dibs. I may own it because you got a solar rover. Yeah, we all share it, but I earned this one more than you because you had a solar rover. Well, let's shut up about it and just. My anus. That's my favorite planet.
Yeah. Your anus is my favorite, guys.
What?
My favorite planet.
Oh my anus.
I mean,
I got it mixed up with the actual thing. Call it Uranus. Uranus. Urine.
It's kind of hairy, but it's okay.
Shut up, dude. Shut up.
No, seriously. Your anus, the planet, has hair on it.
Shut up, bro. Shut up. Oh, they already saw me? Psych. Psych, dude. The actual Siren Head? Real then, not clickbait.
Yeah, not clickbait, guys. You should totally trust us. Even though you have no idea who.
Oh, my 5 is level 5 now. What?
Yeah, it's a true fact.
I don't want to talk to you ever again.
I don't want to. Well, my bum doesn't want to talk to you ever again.
I don't even want to. Oh.
It's just gonna talk crap.
I'm gonna keep like making honey and just keep.
Anything your bum talks to is the toilet.
This what? All right.
Yes. Your bum is the toilet. Yes. Let's see how much honey I get from Omni. This is so cool. No, I don't need to have those radical bees.
How do you increase their level? What if I gave like one of my bees 19 strawberries and another one 32 pineapples and another one 33 blueberries? I'm gonna just keep making honey, dude. I'm gonna make my honey.
Nick, how much honey do you have?
I have.
Yeah.
I'll go check after I'm done making this honey.
Really? No, I mean, how much honey do you own?
Oh, in like where it's on the top left.
Yeah.
103,046. 103.
Oh, you gave me a little roll of jelly.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, I could buy another one. I just bought a basic bee egg.
Wait, Nick. Alright, Nick. No, I see you, Nick. Wait there. That was real radical, man. Nick, I was stacking to my side.
Wait, 1 minute.
Oh my god. Don't say a lot.
I got a demo bee. Demolition bee. Alright, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Because you're the best.
To get free Robux.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to get free Robux, kids. Because it's like totally real and it's not fake.
This is less the game.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my god, dude.